In this video, I'll be going through an 8-step checklist that you can use to launch new products on Amazon Vendor Central. If you are new here, my name is Benjamin Bolshinsky. I used to work at Amazon in the vendor management team for almost 3 years, and now I run a company called Vendor Launch. We work with Amazon vendors to increase their purchase orders. So without further ado, step one is you need to create your new product listings, also called ASINs. This is so that the products exist on Amazon, can be bought, can be ordered, and have a life of their own. Once you've created the new product listings, you then need to get Amazon to actually raise purchase orders for these new products, right? There's no use having the products added to Amazon if there's no products at Amazon's warehouse and customers can't actually buy it. So step two is you need to get Amazon to raise purchase orders for these new products. After you've got Amazon to raise a couple POs, you then want to add merchandising to the listings. This includes things like A+ content, brand stores, bundles, Amazon Vine, and so on. Here, the objective is to drive trust with customers that may then view the product pages. Step 4, buy box check. Make sure that your retail offer is live and it's winning the buy box, that customers can actually buy the product. It's not suppressed. There's no 3P offers. Just make sure it's live. And customers can actually view the buy box. Now here, this is where what we do is we usually place a test customer order for any product that we launch. The objective here is just to make sure the process is correct, that Amazon ship the right product, it's set up correctly, the case pack configuration is right. So you're just placing a dummy a test customer order that you actually receive and use and have a look at, just to make sure that everything is set up correctly. Step 6, create a 4-week promotion to get your products in front of new customers. So you've set up the product, it's in stock at Amazon's warehouse. Now you need to kickstart sales and just get the product out there. We do that kickstart by creating a 4-week promotion, just to get the product out there and to maximize the number of new customers that try the product. Step 7, add the new products to Amazon advertising campaigns. Again, you're maximizing traffic and customers that view the product at this point. You need to drive more traffic, which is what these advertising campaigns are designed to do. Step 8, now here, you ramp up advertising to all stages of the marketing funnel. So consideration, loyalty, discovery. So you're specifically now focusing on targeting customers that are either already browsing in your category or have never tried your products, or are loyal to your brand but have not tried your new products. And you might also be starting to target competitors at this stage. So here, you're just ramping up advertising and just reaching as many customers as you can. So at this point, you should start to see some sales come through for your new products. Everything works, the product is alive, and customers can now start repeat ordering and coming back to buy the product again and again. And it is at this point exactly which you should transition, and you should start working towards getting your new product to become the best seller in the category. Not second best, not third best, the best seller in the category. At Vendor Launch, which is the company that I own that works with Amazon vendors to do all this, we do this via what we call the best seller blueprint. So we've applied the best seller blueprint to dozens of Amazon retail products, making them the best sellers in their respective categories, because the best seller generates the vast majority of sales in that particular category. so that if you want to grow your Amazon vendor account, you should be aiming to be the best seller in the relevant subcategory. Hopefully that helps. If you're interested in the bestseller blueprint, please book a call using the link in the description. Otherwise, let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and talk soon. Bye.